your boy Jace Collector. Yeah, we got some new heats, vintage heats. Yeah, let's start off with the Nike air pressure. You know, I'm doing it big with the vintage heats. Yeah, here's a pump. You see if they're cracked, it's alright. That's cool, that's cool. Yeah, super high top, man. Yeah, see this? Nike Air. And yeah, they're sick, man. Removable straps. But let me see. Yeah, that shit is cool. Hold up. As you can see, the box, which is a Nike Air box, plastic box. Air pressure. Yes, it has a little pump. And then, yeah. So, yeah, you guys like this? Alright. Next pickup that I have bought is these. Rocking with kamikaze 2s, man. You know, hexalite, red hexalite. They're cool. Alright, next pickup, which is in this orange vintage box. What could this be? Take a guess, guys. Suck. Oh, then you might know these. Alright. Okay. We got the Air Raids 2 Peace Edition. Hold up, let me get them off the box real quick. Yep. Live together, play together. You see the little African print, little basketball peace sign in there. You know what I'm saying? These are dead stock. Yeah. Alright, tell me what you guys think on all these pickups, man. Comment, subscribe, you know. Alright, peace.